Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It has been a minute. I've been kind of busy as of late, but today I want to do an unboxing video. And yeah, don't mind the mess. I've been out for a while. I've been testing out some IEMs, and I'm about to sell my beautiful Pixel 8a. I hate to get rid of it. I hate to see it go, but I'm basically trading in one mid-range device for another, and that's what this video is about. I got some new things coming. Yeah, I got it on Swapper. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. $315 if you want it. Okay. So I'm getting rid of my Pixel 8a, and I'm moving up to another mid-range device.
Another one.
And it's right in this box. So before I open this up, I just want to give a little backstory. The Nothing 3A, 3A Pro, they were announced on March the 4th, and you could pre-order March the 5th. That's what I did. Then open sales started on March 11th. That's when this phone shipped. So it shipped. It was coming from one of Nothing's fulfillment centers in Dayton, New Jersey, like 9 hours away from where I lay my head. And they were saying that it was estimated to arrive around March 13th through March the 15th. Well, that day came and went, and then here we are. It's St. Patrick's Day. The phone finally arrived in Charlotte. So it's at the post office distribution center. Thought it was gonna come that day or that morning. Didn't. March 8th came and went. Still nothing. So here we are. March 19th, phone finally got delivered. I swear to God, somebody tried to steal my shit. I ain't gonna lie. Somebody tried to steal my phone. Somebody tried to steal it. Had to. I sent emails out to Nothing, support. I didn't hear nothing back from them. So they probably inquired on, what's the status of the phone. Try to do it with the post office. Try to track with using their tracking number. The website's all out of whack. Whenever you go to put in your phone number and then, say, okay, I want to get some text updates, nothing happened. It wasn't working. So yeah, post office, y'all need to do better. Y'all need to tighten up. So here we are. I got the case as well. I got the clear case because I can't find any good cases on Amazon. There are none. All they have is cases for the 2A, not the 3A. And most of them that are gonna ship, you're not gonna get them till April. So I don't know what's up with that, but yeah. So here's the phone. Oh, let me cover up the IMEI. This is a really slim box. I see now the box that it was in, somebody probably thought, oh yeah, this is probably a phone or something. So I'm gonna jack this. So let me see here. Let me pull this. You gotta open it. Okay. I don't want to tear this up because I want to be able to yeah, there you go. Look at that. 256. 256 gigabytes of storage. My Pixel 8a, it only had 128. I should have got the 256, but I didn't. Like the color though, so that's why I went with the white. Oh, that's beautiful. I like the way that opens up. Yes, it is exciting, although my excitement kind of went away because waiting so damn long. Okay, let me pull this up. Now the 3A, they have this new thing. It's called Essential Space. It's like a button. It's kind of like a storage thing or whatnot. But yeah, this is pretty interesting. I'm excited to see how this will turn out. Oh, I gotta pull this up. It doesn't just fold out. Let's see. Pull this up. Oh, okay, I tore it. Yeah, whatever. Let's throw that to the side. Oh man, look at this thing. That's a big boy. Good lord. This is bigger than the Samsung Galaxy but I like the sides. So the sides are flat and squared off, and it's got like it's not shiny at all. It's white, but it's matte white. The only shiny surfaces is the back, and this is glass, this isn't plastic, and the front. Now the front has a pre-installed screen protector on it. I don't know if you can see that, but if you look closely, right there, boom, where the light's hitting it, where the camera cutout is, that's a screen protector. So that's gonna have to serve me for a while because, as I said, no good cases on Amazon, no good screen protectors on Amazon, not even for the 3A Pro. You got the speaker grill, you got the USB-C charging port, you got the microphone. Now remember, this is a microphone. That's where you put your, what you call it, the SIM ejector tool, so you can take the SIM card, SIM tray out. Okay, so you got, this is the power button, essential space button, and you got the volume buttons on the left hand side. Let me see. As a righty, this would feel natural to you, although I've heard some people say that they accidentally hit the essential space button on accident when they're trying to hit the power button. Let me see. As a lefty, and I'm a lefty, yeah, this is going to take some muscle memory to get used to, because even my index finger wants to hit that essential space. So what I'm gonna have to end up doing is rest my index finger underneath the camera and try and use my middle finger. Let me see if I can do it. Yeah, it's doable. Let me look at the back here. They kind of did away with all of the glyph lights. I think on the Nothing Phone 2, Nothing Phone 2, and the Nothing Phone 1, excuse me, Nothing Phone 1, Nothing Phone 2, they had about, what was it, 5 lights. You had 3 up top, then you had 1 down here in the middle with a little dot that was your double the charge indicator, and then you had like 2 on each side of here at the bottom. So far I like the way it looks. It's very minimalist. I've always liked Nothing phones because they're so minimalist looking, and that camera is, oof, that module is dope. That's futuristic. Let's see, what else do we get inside the box here? We don't really get much. We get a, see, I thought we was gonna get the cable that came with the Nothing Phone 1. So this is like a, this isn't nylon braided, doesn't have any sheathing on it. It's like rubberized, and the ends are not see-through. I'm sad about that. I kind of wanted the see-through thing, but it is what it is. And lastly, we have the SIM card tray, and I'll go ahead and just open that up because I'm about to switch over to this phone for a little while. I am using my Pixel 9 to record this video, but yeah, I'm about to switch over everything. Put my main SIM in the 3A. That is so dope. Look at that. I love their attention to detail. Carl, you're pretty good, man. Not bad. I'm glad you left OnePlus and moved on to better things. Let's see what the case looks like. I'm just going to use my knife to unbox this. Let's see here. Let's see what it looks like all together when you put it all together. Let's see. Damn, even the damn case, taking the case out is kind of premium. Let's see, this is the basic clear case. There's nothing to it. I wish it was frosted on the back, because this is going to be a fingerprint magnet. Jury's still out on whether or not it's going to start yellowing. In my experience, all of the clear cases that I've ever had, they yellow. They always yellow. There's just no getting around that. But this is good. I would like someone to come out with a excuse me, a case with the glyph light cutouts at the top here. You got one right here, you got one right there, and you got one right there. I would like for somebody, but yeah, with the clear cases, this will work. And it's also got, you know, precise cutouts. But this thing was expensive. I think I spent like, what, $25? Well, that's not the most I've spent on a case. I think the most I've spent on a case was $50. But yeah, that looks good. I mean, look at that. Let me go ahead and put this in my I lost it. I'm gonna put this in my collection of SIM card tray tools. Let's see, and put everything back in the box. I don't need all this out. I'm just gonna put this in storage. Let me see. Let me turn the phone on here. I don't think I got any juice. Oh, I heard it vibrate. I don't know how I feel about the powered by Android thing down here at the bottom like this. I kind of just like the words and not the little Android robot thingy. Okay, that is the Nothing that I know and love. Beautiful. Okay, there we go. And I'm getting Nothing, what is it, NothingOS 3.0. A lot of people saying they already got updates. I'm gonna switch to United States. Okay, boom. Yeah, see, it's telling me to connect to a mobile network, and like I said, my main SIM is in my Pixel 9 right now. So what I'll do is I will go ahead and switch over all of my data and whatnot to this phone. I'm definitely got to test out Genshin Impact with this, and I'm definitely going to test out the cameras. But yeah, this is going to be fun. But you know, hopefully, you know, I'm glad that it's finally here and I didn't get jacked. But yeah, this has been the unboxing of the Nothing Phone 3A. Kind of wish I got the 3A Pro, but it is what it is. But I'll be back with more videos. This won't be the first. I'm not going to, you know, dip out and go to the store and get some milk. I'm going to be making some more videos. At least I'm going to try to. So that being said, enjoy your life, enjoy your sound, and I'll see you in the next video.